everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a highly anticipated video for you guys. I'm so excited to be sharing our I Love Brow Gel ink. So if you want to learn more about this amazing new product in depth, please keep watching. So I'm gonna be doing the application of the brow gel in my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be showing you how to use it, how to properly apply it in your eyebrows, and then if you guys any question, you guys can always give us a comment below. So the first step is I'm gonna shape my eyebrows first, and then I'm gonna do the second step is applying the I Love Brows. Okay. So always when I do my eyebrows, I always like to shape them. So I like to twist my eyebrows. I don't do waxing on my eyebrows. So I use these nice tweezers. They're very sharp and pointy. We will leave you the description below where to find the products that we use. Then after, I like to cut those extra hairs lightly. I feel like my hairs grow so much, so I always kind of cut them a little bit so they're nice and groomed. So once I shape my eyebrows, I trim them a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the application with the I Love Brow Gel. This is like a gel that it makes the eyebrows look fuller and it leave them in place. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. So this little beauty comes with a little brush. It's so nice. It comes in different colors, so I really recommend you to go with the closest color, let's say to your hair color or to your face. Remember that our eyebrows should always be 2 shades darker than our natural hair, so I always try to go not too dark but darker than my hair. So to start with the application, I get the gel out. This has a nice brush, so I always start at the beginning with the nice brush like this. I kind of go in between like this and I start making the design that I want to go for. So I always start on the bottom part of the eyebrows to give them that nice definition on this part over here. So I always go through the hairs like this, brushing them up so all the gel goes inside and it stays on the skin. I dip it again, and then now I'm gonna start going on the arch. I'm gonna, with the same brush, you can do everything. You don't need an extra brush, but I'm gonna show you with an extra brush what you can do. So I go like this, go all the way to my tail. Go all the way to the tail, and I dip it again, and I try to brush my eyebrows always to the hair up. This is like a gel, remember? So this is gonna leave, wherever you leave the hairs, that's where it's gonna leave the eyebrows on place. So with a brush, this is what I do. Once I apply it, I kind of brush it, and then I do I brush the hairs to the side so they're not super steady in the same place. Now with the other part of a brow brush, you dip it in the brow gel ink, and then I'm gonna do the upper part. So I want to just give a little bit more definition to the eyebrows, and I go a little bit above my hairline. And after I do that, I go ahead again, brush my hairs again, so they kind of cover that little part that I went over my hairline, and then I brush it to the side. And that's it. I finished one brow. So if you guys notice, I have one brow that is higher than the other one. The reason why is because I have a scar on my left side. So I'm going to show you guys how I level the eyebrows on the same side. So now we're going to go with the left side, and we do the same thing. I start at the heads. You guys notice that I have a scar here and here, so I'm just gonna fill it with the end of the tip of the brush, like this. And I put a little bit extra gel on those parts so they get covered. So again, we brush the hairs upwards. That I always try to bring the hairs to cover those gaps. Sometimes I can, sometimes I cannot. So now with my brow brush, I'm gonna just dip it in the brow ink, and then again I'm gonna kind of like do the definition underneath, brush them all the way, and then on top, remember that my left side is higher than my right side. So I always try to do it a little bit more straight, so it kind of like, I give a little bit more symmetry to my eyebrows. So on the heads, I go like this, then I go a little bit above my brow hairs, not too much. And then I go to my arch, and I bring the gel all the way to my toes. And at the end, I just brush my hairs up, so they kind of stay in that, and I like give them that lamination effect. And then I brush them to the side. So now I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna apply any color, like a little bit lighter than my, like the base that I use for my face, a little bit more brighter. Give me that highlighted effect, and I like it. And I notice here that I went a little bit over, so to correct that and to make the eyebrows more perfect, I just go on top. I know a lot of people do like the eyebrows the first thing. I always do my eyebrows the last thing. Okay, so that's it. The benefits of the brow gel ink is that it's smudge proof, so once it's dry, nothing comes in your fingers. It's very safe. You can go swimming, you can go, it's water resistant, so you can only remove it with like you can only remove it with makeup remover that is like for permanent, like for waterproof makeup. Okay, so now you guys can see the results are so beautiful. It's smudge proof, so this will last me the whole day. I don't have to do my eyebrows throughout the day, and believe me, I've been trying this for months already before doing this video, and I'm in love with it. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and please check our website if you want to try the I Love Brow Gel ink. The link will be in the description box. And I want to take this opportunity to thank all our recent subscribers. We cannot wait to make more awesome videos for you guys. Please leave us a comment below if you have any requests. See you next time!